Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Hello and welcome to this video on how to use a certain type of drink to boost brain capacity. One of the most important organs in our bodies is the brain, and maintaining optimal brain health is essential to our overall health and well-being. We will be talking about a beverage in this video that has been demonstrated to enhance cognitive ability and brain function. Let's discuss some of the components and why they are crucial for maintaining brain function. Before we begin the dish, we start with blueberries. Antioxidants which are found in abundance in blueberries aid in preventing the brain from being harmed by free radicals. Also, they have been demonstrated to enhance cognitive abilities including memory and focus. Green tea comes next. Caffeine, which is included in green tea, can aid increase attention and alertness. Moreover, it includes L-theanine, an amino acid that aids in relaxing and the reduction of tension and anxiety. Finally, there is turmeric. Curcumin, a substance found in turmeric, has anti-inflammatory effects. Reducing inflammation can assist enhance brain health because it has been shown to connected to a number of neurological problems in the brain. Now let's get into the recipe for this brain boosting drink. Ingredients: 1 cup of blueberries, 1 cup of green tea, 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Instructions: brew the green tea according to the package instruction and let it cool. Add the blueberries and green tea to a blender and blend until smooth. Add the turmeric and blend again until everything is well mixed. Pour the mixture into a glass and enjoy. This brain boosting drink is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that can help improve brain function and increase cognitive abilities. Try incorporating it into your daily routine and see how it can benefit your overall health and well-being. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already done. So thanks for watching and see you next time.